I count the ways to disappear. No one else can trace my tracks around here. I ride my bike late at night, and all that can be seen is flickering lights. The air is warm, and the weight is off my mind. When feeling trapped, make like a river and just go. It's never black and bleak unless I say it's so. I shift the gears and let go. I have total control. I can't be haunted if I never see it go. I turn to the right and meet halfway, and we watch our numbers grow so confidently. I've got bare backs and they've got mine. We're a formidable gang without the crime. The mood is high, I must be big, so down.
All right, so what's this called?
This is called Marquesita.
This is called Marquesita.
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 Yes.
And you can only get
It's
it.
actually like a, how you call that? Like the French crepe.
Oh, like a crepe.
Yeah,
Okay.
kind of, but crispy.
And you can only get it in Cancun. Not even like Mexico City or anywhere else
Or
knows
north.
about that.
No, it's just this area.
Okay, let's check it
And
out.
those are actually one of the most like popular ones.
This is one of the most popular
El
stands.
Chino.
El Chino. What's-
This Chino.
Okay, so that gets cooked
so that
on the.
gets like crispy.
He's got cheese.
Yeah,
Okay.
Con queso y Nutella, por favor. So,
Con
my
queso y Nutella.
y Nutella. Yeah, so that's my favorite cheese in the dog.
Okay.
But you can choose whatever, like.
You can get like the jams and the
yeah.
peanut butter.
Yeah, whatever you want.
I would actually never
Classy would
think.
be just cheese.
I would never think of getting a cheese and queso,
Together.
Nutella and queso combination. All right. So, this is, what's it called again?
Marquesita.
This is Marquesita.
Perfect. Show them.
Wow. That's really cool. So you have this sort of sweet and cheesy, fatty flavor going on. It's really good. I did not expect this. Guys, cheese and Nutella, awesome combination.
Cool.
Whoa. So this is a traditional, would you say this is more
It's
traditional
actually
than
the
Mexico?
same plant that you take the tequila from.
Oh, so this is still cactus?
Yeah.
Okay.
But the mezcal is like sometimes stronger and sometimes softer.
Do you take it like a shot or regular?
I'll just take it like by yourself.
All right, so this is my very, very first taste of mezcal. It's got the orange and the mezcal.
Yeah.
I love this drink. I'll tell you why. This is a lot like, you know, Scotch is kind of like smoky whiskey. I really feel like this mezcal is like smoky tequila.
Yep.
Oh, it's so good. Oh. So I'm at the El Rey Zona archaeological site, and it's really pretty here. It's peaceful, and well, it's pretty open. Just a bunch of old ruins, I suppose, that they maintain. And oh wow, so this is super cool. There's iguanas kind of everywhere, and I just stumbled upon this little guy. Well, he's not that little. I don't know how to do it for scale. I guess from end to end, it's like the size of a forearm. This guy's really cool. Hey there, iguana. Are you not cool? No, you're totally not cool. So my week is almost coming to a close in Cancun, and you know, I haven't been to a beach basically this whole time. So I'm here at what is this? Playa Delfines, which I guess is a public beach. And oh my, whoa, that water is stunning. Just how it's dark all the way to that light blue. I don't think I've really seen water like this. Wow. Beach iguana. I'm here with my new friends, mi amigos nuevos. Mi nuevos amigos?
Yes.
Me llamo Tomás.
Francisco, me llamo Francisco.
Francisco?
Sheila.
Shaila?
Marila.
Marira. And I was just walking down the beach, and they offered to give me a drink, and what is this?
Pescadilla.
Pescadilla.
It's a fried
Pescadilla.
taco. Try it,
It's
man.
okay if I try?
Yeah, well,
Ah, muchas gracias.
come on.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh, okay.
There you go. This is a Mexican sauce. It's really very spicy.
I love spicy.
Yeah.
Habanero.
Yes.
So, this is super spicy. Super spicy, right?
Really very, very spicy.
Very.
It's not spicy.
It's not spicy for you? Really?
So I smothered this thing in this habanero
Yeah.
sauce. No, not spicy.
Cheers.
Muchas gracias.
Hey, my friend. Really, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So the new friends that I made today actually suggested that I meet up with them tonight here at this whatever this plaza is called, and so I got here a little bit early, and I guess tonight it's time to drink with some new friends. So although I don't really condone this, at the bar that I'm currently at, I stumbled upon something like really interesting that I haven't seen anywhere else in the world. It's a single cigarette vending machine. For 5 pesos, you just put the coin in and just one cigarette comes out. It's really cool, check it out. Buenas noches, me llamo Tomás. Es mi última noche en México. Tengo gratitud por mis nuevos amigos y la bondad de México. México es país bonita y quiero volver. Muchas gracias, México.
Como una mirada hecha en Sonora, vestida con el mar de Cozumel, con con el color del sol por todo el cuerpo. Así se lleva México en la piel, como el buen tequila de esta tierra, o como un amigo en Yucatán, en aguas calientes deshilados, o lana tejida en Teotitlán.
Así se siente México, así se siente México, así como unos labios por la piel. Así te envuelve México, así te sabe México, así se lleva México en la piel.
Como ver la sierra de Chihuahua o la artesanía en San Miguel, remontar el cerro de la Silla, así se lleva México en la piel. Como acompañarse con mariachi para hacer llorar a esa canción que en el sur se toca con marimba y en el norte con acordeón.
Así se siente México, así se siente México, así como unos labios por la piel. Así te envuelve México, así te sabe México, así se lleva México en la piel.